You use technology every day. Your phone, your laptop, your apps. But still, you feel busy. What if I tell you that you are losing at least 1 hour every single day just because you are using technology the wrong way? Today, I will share 5 simple tech hacks that can save you 1 full hour every day. This works for students, teachers, developers, and anyone who uses a computer. Welcome to Tech Unleashed. Let's begin. Hack number 1. Stop scrolling. Start searching smartly. Most people waste time opening folders again and again, trying to remember where they saved a file. Your computer already knows where everything is. Use search instead of browsing. For example, type PDF, today, or last week in the search bar. Use file type, date, or keyword. On Google Drive, use filters instead of scrolling endlessly. This single habit can save you 10 to 15 minutes every day. Hack number 2. Organize files automatically. If your downloads folder looks like a dustbin, you are not alone. Rename files in bulk. Create folders by subject, project, or month. Stop using names like Final, and Final version 3. An organized system saves time, reduces stress, and improves focus. Hack number 3. Use fewer tools, not more. Many people install too many apps and end up switching all the time. One tool can do multiple jobs. Use one platform for notes, planning, and collaboration. For developers, use extensions instead of new software. Productivity increases when your tools are simple. Less switching means more thinking. Hack number 4. Keyboard shortcuts are a superpower. If you use a mouse for everything, you are slowing yourself down. Learn just 3 shortcuts today. Control plus Shift plus T to reopen closed tabs. Control plus D to bookmark pages instantly. Control plus / to comment code or documents. Hack number 5. Automate repetitive work. If you do the same task every day, you should not be doing it manually. Use templates instead of rewriting. Use forms to collect data automatically. Set auto-replies for common messages. A simple automation can save you 30 minutes daily. Remember this rule: if you repeat something more than twice, automate it. Let's quickly recap. Search smartly, organize files automatically, use fewer tools, learn shortcuts, automate repetitive work. This is how technology should work for you, not against you. See you in next video. Until then, use tech smartly.